Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Rito and thank you so much for coming back to watch my video. So I am here today with a haul, but it's not a fashion haul because, well, that's the only kind of haul I've been doing on this channel. I'm so sorry that I haven't actually uploaded anything. One or two people actually called me out on it on my Instagram, and it's been a crazy few weeks. We are back to work almost full time here in Hungary for some of us, and I actually have to physically go into work. Unlike other people that can work from home, I have to physically go to work 8 to 5 and 8 to 4 or something, and it has been exhausting because it's hot, and by the time I get home I am exhausted. But I'm really working hard on kind of creating a balance between my work and doing YouTube, because I really do want to do this, but I don't want to force it. I want to come on here and be myself. I want to come on here and not force anything, and I really want to put out content excuse me, that you would want to watch, that I would want to watch. I don't want to just put out videos because I want to stick to a schedule. So I hope that you can bear with me while I figure all this thing out, and thank you so much for even watching all my videos, for those of you who do watch, and thank you for liking it, and thank you for your comments. I hope that you like videos like this, because this video is not exactly a fashion haul, it's a home haul. For a lot of you who know, I moved into a new apartment, but I actually just moved in and just settled in. I haven't really bought anything or tried to put anything that is like my personality or something into the apartment. The apartment is just as good, but it could use a little bit of Rito spice in it. So I've been thinking of doing that, but of course these things cost money, so priorities, man, priorities. Okay, so let me stop rambling right now and let me get into this video. So the first thing I wanted to show you is this throw pillow right here. I just love the minimal, like I love the design on the pillow, but I feel like it gives this minimal feel to the space. It is this pillowcase. I got just the pillowcase. I already had the pillow in the house, but I wanted to put the pillow in it so you can see what it looks like. So this is 50 centimeter by 50 centimeter. That's the size. I don't know if you're watching from Canada or America. I'm not sure how you guys do your sizing when it comes to like throw pillows and mirrors and all those things, but here in Europe most times we go by centimeter. So it's 50 by 50 centimeter, and that's what we have here. So the vibe I was going for, or I'm going for my couch in the living room, is a geometric one geometric print, and I was going for a plain light color and then like a bold statement color, which I'm going to show you the color that I picked. Yeah, so I'll show you the next thing. So I got about 4 pieces, because each one costs less than €5, maybe €4.50, and in forint it's like 1,300, probably not even up to €4.50, maybe around that. I got 4 pieces because I do have 2 couches in the living room, and I wanted to kind of match everything. So I got 4 pieces of this when I got it, and it was a good steal because look at it. It's so cute. It's really cute. I love that. So the next thing I wanted to show you is the next light color. So my couch in my living room is gray, a shade of gray. So I was going for, I feel like it makes it really easy for me to walk any shade of color, pop of color that I want on the couch or in the space. So I really love that. The walls are white, so there is no, like, it's not really hard to decide what you want to do with the space. So the next one I have here is, I think this size is 50 or 40 by 60. So you have 60 centimeter here and 40 centimeter here, so it's a bit longer. I wanted that contrast in shape texture and color. So that's what we have here. So this is a little deeper, like it's like a beige cream, and this is a lot closer to cream than white or beige. And the next one is going to be our pop of color, and I chose this mustard color because it was the closest thing to gold. I wanted to have a feel of gold, but when I went into the store and I was trying to find gold stuff, gold just seemed too, I don't know, it was just too artificial looking for me, and for me that's not really my style. My style is more cozy and, you know, not hotel looking, and I don't know, there's something about gold in a space that, you know, if it's too much, I don't know, it just does something in a space that I'm not really a fan of. But I love the texture on this throw pillow. This is also a 50 by 50, but for some reason it looks bigger than the last 50 by 50, maybe because of the texture. But I love the whole texture going on here. It has a lot of texture going on here. I love that, and I love that the zip is on the side. So if I wanted to have something change the texture in the space, I can turn this the other way, and this will be the one that will be showing, and it will be like the plain part, and there's nothing. Usually especially with Ikea throw pillows, the zips, kind of the zippers are kind of in the middle here, and so you can only like show one side of the throw pillow. But with H&M, I'm noticing that their zippers are more concealed, and I love that about their items. And this one was going for 4,000. This wasn't on sale when I got it, so it's 4,000. Now let me tell you something about H&M home things. They're really good, and they sell out really fast. I don't know if it's because it's H&M or maybe Ikea is more of a bring it in bulk kind of situation. But with H&M, it's like if you like something and you can get it that time, just go and get it, because it just sells out really fast. So if you like any of these things, I would say go online or go in store and just pick them up real fast, because I'm noticing that they're actually going out really fast. Now, I had to get a pillow when I got this size of the throw pillow. I had to get a pillow for it because I didn't have any pillow of that size and shape. So I had to get this one. I also prefer H&M home pillows to Ikea pillows. Don't get me wrong, I love my Ikea. Everybody knows that I am an Ikea person. I love the candles, I love a lot of stuff in Ikea. And that's my go-to place for a lot of things. You get a lot of options when it comes to pricing, and you are more likely to find something that is really truly affordable when you go to Ikea with options than H&M home. But the quality with H&M home is really good. You hardly find something in H&M home that the quality is shit, except their candles. It doesn't smell nice. I just had to throw that in there. So I had to get a pillow that was that size and the shape. So these pillows, they rolled them up and they kept them on the side, and it's like the pillows go for 2,000 forints each. At the time I got 2 of the pillows because I remembered that I had one somewhere in the house, so I got 2 of it because I wanted 2 on my couch and 2 on the other couch. Now these pillows feel really good. They feel heavy enough, they feel fluffy when you fluff them up. Feels a lot better than Ikea pillows, I have to say, and they're actually the same price, so I don't understand Ikea. Okay, anyway, so we have that, and I had to get that. Like I said, it's a short haul. The last thing I wanted to show you that I got so far is this round Ikea mirror. Now let me just stand up and see if I can show you what it looks like. So it is this round mirror. So believe it or not, this is not the biggest size that they have. The mirror is called the Lindbang. I think Lindbang. I'm sure it's Swedish, but I'm pretty sure I'm not pronouncing this right. But it's a black. I really love it's like the metal around it is black. I love that it's not bulky, so it's not going to take off, it's not going to make the space look bulky. I'm really going for a lot of minimal look to the space. I really feel like I need to get rid of certain things out of the space, just give the space a fresh feel, and there's not so much going on. So I love that the metal around the mirror is not so bulky, and I love that it is actually metal. Even if it was wood, you could actually paint over it, but I think I'm going to leave it black because my walls are white anyway, so I'm going to leave that. And I have a table that I want to create like what is it called, a console. I want like console space. So yeah, this mirror is 80 centimeter, so the circumference is 80 centimeter, and yeah, this is not actually the biggest one. They have another one that is, I think, 110 centimeter or something, 100 centimeter, 110 centimeter is really large, and it is going like it's a little bit more expensive than this space, but this was what I thought could fit my space, and I think it was really great. I didn't want to take up too much space. I just wanted to show you what the Ikea mirror looks like on the wall. So I have a table right below here, just by this side of my room, because my sitting room, because it just felt like the space was too small, was too plain, and so I wanted to hang a mirror over here just to make like a tiny console space. And I'm glad that I chose this particular mirror because it matches the table right here and it plays into the space well. I'm not sure about leaving this plant right here, but we'll see. The chair is definitely going because there's going to be different things I'm doing to this table, but you'll see when I actually finish with the space. Now for the mirror, like I said, it is an 80 centimeter mirror. It has a bigger one that is like 110 centimeters. So this is what it looks like on the wall. If you're a short person, you might, if you want it to kind of be something that you can actually see a lot of yourself in it, you might have to put it a little lower than I have, which I think I'm going to have to do it, but I don't want to do it now until I find someone to cover up the holes on the wall, because I don't want to just leave a lot of holes on the wall. Of course, if you're renting, you're going to have to take permission for that. So yeah, this is what it looks like on the wall at the moment. I'm thinking of bringing it a little lower, but we'll see how that goes. Now for the cushions that I got, this is what they look like on my couch. These are the longer ones that I told you I got, and the geometric print ones, and then the solid color here, and then I have a smaller size here, which is a little bit deeper shade, like a deeper shade of gray, but it's still good, and it is right here. And I have only one of the pillows there, and that. Just slowly making this space for the time that I'm allowed to live here, just slowly making this space mine in my own way without upsetting my landlady. So yeah, if you are renting, you know what I mean by that. So thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you in the next clip when I show you what I've done, and see ya. Bye.